Ever signed a Docusign document and immediately regretted it? Let's explore your options for removing your signature or voiding the document. First, understand that removing a signature entirely after signing isn't always possible. It largely depends on the sender's Docusign settings and the document's status. If the document is still in process and hasn't been completed by all parties, you might have some leeway. If you spot a mistake immediately after signing, contact the document sender directly. They may be able to void the document on their end, which cancels the entire transaction. For all parties, look for their contact information within the Docusign email notification or the document itself. If voiding isn't an option, another possibility may be that the sender can send a corrected copy again. This depends on their account settings. Inform them of the error and ask if they can resend with corrections enabled. Keep in mind that once a document is fully completed and signed by all parties, removing individual signatures becomes significantly more difficult. It often requires a new agreement or legal intervention. If you're unsure about your options or facing difficulties, consult Docusign's help resources. Their support page offers comprehensive guides and troubleshooting assistance. Search Docusign help for voiding documents or correcting envelopes. While not always straightforward, understanding Docusign's limitations and communicating quickly with the sender are your best baits for addressing signature issues after signing.